Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to see liked videos on your TikTok profile. So first of all open your TikTok mobile application. Now in this homepage section you can press this me icon and it is placed at the bottom of fifth one and it shows my TikTok profile. But in this section you can note one thing. In bottom of your TikTok bio, it has two icons, but simply you can select that heart icon and then you can see, so it shows some TikTok videos and these are the some videos are my favorite one, which means that this is my TikTok liked videos. So if you like to watch one more time, just select that video and then watch it. So due to the video time duration, I finished up my tutorial. So this is the way you can easily see your TikTok liked videos by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Works, and thanks for watching.